Oh my god, that's Flume! Yo, what is up party people, and welcome back to part 5 of the Flume Inspired Track from Scratch series. And today we're working on the breakdown. I've got a few ideas, so I'm keen to get going before I forget those ideas. And yeah, that's basically all I've got for the intro. So if you are binge watching the series, I'll leave a little time code right around here, so you can skip to it because you kind of know what the track already sounds like. But if you're brand new to the series or you want to refresh, I'm just gonna play out the tune so you know where we are in the track and what we're about to do in today's episode. Let's have a listen. And this is the part that we're gonna work on today. I'm excited, I got heaps of ideas, and hopefully they're all gonna work. Let's just label things to tidy up the session. I guess that's the break. Plan is to kind of like double that break. This can be our bridge for maybe 8 bars. And then this can be the third drop. 3 drop, yeah. Stay in school, kids. Let's double up the break, work on the bridge, and then build that up to the third drop, and the third drop will be the next episode. All right, so my ideas is, I like how this lead gradually comes to an end right here, so we could probably do without it since it sounds like it's closed, but we can continue this in the background. I'm not too sure if we've got some automation. Okay, cool. It's just a solid, like, low pass. Those vocals, yeah, they can carry over. And obviously it's a bit bland here, so we're gonna have to chuck in another lead. And I have some ideas for that. It's called make a lead, reverse it, and then see how that sounds. Shout out to everyone who left a comment in the last video, giving me some helpful tips for this video. I think I remember most of them, but I feel like there's quite a few mixing tips, which we will do in a later episode. I just kind of want to like create the track as a whole, then spend an episode mixing it, and then spend an episode mastering it. So don't worry if I haven't like used your idea yet. Scale tool, love the scale tool, it makes my life so much easier. All right. Should it be just like an 8s kind of up ting? Yeah, let's do an 8s up ting. So we're gonna poach the MIDI from here onto here. Oh, beautiful. We can drag that up a couple octaves next. Arpeggiator. That, especially that low note, that just needs the. What What about a descending pattern? There we go, not a down pattern. But we are gonna reverse this, so wouldn't down be up? In which case we need to make it up so it goes down. Yep, hopefully. Let's just duplicate that, just in case this plan doesn't work. But I feel like it should. We're gonna freeze that, flatten, and yep. Chop it there, chop it there, chop it there, because 1, 2, 3, and 4 all have different notes. I was gonna say chords, but yeah, not really. So reverse that. Hey, it is going down now. It is descending, would be the proper terminology. I have a descending arpeggiation. I didn't expect that, just to like double it up. Have one that's doing reverse descending and have one that's doing normal ascending. That's a fucking sick pattern, Sam. Pat yourself on the back. No. New people coming to the channel are like, damn, this Sam guy's got a fat ego. Okay, that low end is just like chugging along. I'm not a big fan of that sound. I don't know about you guys, but that sounds pretty flumey to me. The normal ascending one, really wide. Ping pong delay. Fade in. Overdrive. Oh my god, that's flumey! Reverb. Too much distortion. Add EQ for tonality. And this is gonna need some effects as well. This is just bone stock dry and sounding weird. What would Flume do? What would Flume do? All of the effects. Oh, you can't Command A all the effects. Damn it. Maybe some echo, some crazy ass. That sounds cool. So I want that kind of like being the tail end of the sound when it fades out. Maybe just more ping pong delay as well, doing the same thing, but quicker. Maybe the EQ after overdrive. Alright, let's see how this sounds. It's just been fluffing around for ages. Might actually be too loud. Low pass. Yeah. I'm pretty happy with that. Actually, pretty happy is an understatement. I'm really happy with that at the moment. Anyway, my new idea, or my next idea, is bring in the drums again. And the OG pattern. Okay, that's a start. What about just heaps of ping pong delay? Gradually fading in the ping pong delay with the feedback cranked. And the reverb. Rises, you know, it's the next part, we're gonna bring that shit in. Bridge, here we are. I feel like we've got more rises than that. Then bring in that pattern, Yoza. I feel like I'm getting way too ahead of myself. Sounds about right. Boom, third drop, take it away, next episode. What about low pass this lead in, Command J, consolidate that together, octave up. Oh my god, that last bit's gonna be... The anticlimax drop. Extend that note, possibly. Oh, I don't know if that's really annoying, but you know, we're gonna give it a shot. So I'm gonna turn the loop on to extend the note so it does like more looping, and then dragging the length. Oh, I'm not sure what I feel about that. Let's give it a shot anyway. Now if we fade it out, yeah, seems to work. You know, it's all about creative AF sound design. Alright, let's go back to the break, how to transition that to the bridge. I think I'm gonna chuck in some like wacky ass effects. That bit can stay. Oh, what about just a big ass 808, just bam, right there. Alright. There we go, I got the right note. Couldn't quite hear it. I have no idea what that last note is, so I'm tempted just to be like, nope. It just kind of works. That filter needs to come in way quicker. Yeah, there was something off about it, just had two cheeky filters. Okay, it sounds really indie without this lead now. I kind of like how it faded out. Basically, you want this part to happen again here. How am I going to do this? How am I going to do this? Duplication. Copy across the automation, please. So there. Build up with that effects or whatever. Number 2. Hopefully I got all the right automation. Let's have that, sounds alright. Fade in the next instance, come on. It's working! No, that is just a big letdown. No. That just like detracted from the energy. We need like some Tank AF cinematic tom hits. Do we have Tank AF cinematic? I don't have any of those. I'm gonna have to ask Siri. Hey Siri, do you have any Tank AF cinematic tom hits?
Looking for Tank AF cinematic Thomas.
What? Oh my god, I'm gonna feature Siri in every single video I do now. Can I put that in the title for more views? Featuring Siri? Anyway, I think Polo's gonna be the jam. Tom hits. Yeah, boy. Got its triplets, so this should be interesting. 3 layers, slightly out of time with each other. Glue compress the shit out of them, and possibly overdrive, because I do love overdrive, as you guys know. Redline headlining, am I right? You'll be headlining, redlining everything, bitch. Oh my goodness. That glue compressor's got its work cut out for it. Oh my god. Dynamic tube. Discrete beat dirt. Kind of detracts from the transients, but since I'm all about creative sound design in this series, I'm gonna add some drum bass and then crank up the transients. No, it's just too much. Automate that. When I say glue compress, punch, because we want the extra punchiness. Limiter, because let's be honest, that red line is just out of control. And then we'll probably end up turning it down. No, we won't, we'll leave it as is. I get really disappointed whenever I don't hear a drop there, but then I remember, wait a minute, I'm the one making this. I know I haven't made a drop yet. Oh yeah, and that frequency, automate that down. Turn that down for goodness sake. That needs many reverse ones. What about, there's so many what abouts in the series. Fucking ridiculous little things like that right before. Fade that in so we don't get the sound, we just get zoom. What about a big boom kind of thing? 808, bring back the 808s. Yo, this is a metal song now. Yeah, let's add that. Actually, we haven't got the sub drop part I was looking for. Warp, tones, transposition, which is just a fancy word for pitch, automation. Yeah, and let's just do that for this one as well. There we go. Oh, that is... I'm not sure Flume would do a sub drop, but I'm doing a sub drop. Just because, I don't know, it works and it's sounding sick. Alright, that has been one productive episode. We have got the break down, we've got the bridge down, and we're building up to that third drop, which is going to be sick, which is going to be next week's episode. I guess there's only one thing left to do for this video, and that's play out the track in its entirety. And yeah, see you guys for the next episode. Like if you enjoyed, and here is the Flume Inspired Track from scratch so far, minus the third drop. The third drop's going to be in the next video. It's going to be fucking sick. Yeah! Actually, I lied. I want to keep you guys hyped for the next episode, so I'm going to play from the verse onwards. Enjoy! Oh yeah, that's sick.